Whenever you shop, it's really important you're armed with your consumer rights so that you don't get caught out and left out of pocket if something goes wrong. My name's Maundrell and I'm the Editor-in-Chief of money.co.uk, and here are the consumer rights you need to know about. Firstly, if you buy online, you get 14 days to change your mind and get a full refund, including the cost of standard delivery. Now, this applies to most items. There are some exclusions, for instance perishables and personalised items, but that almost always applies, which can be really good reassurance. Now, if you buy in store though, you're not automatically entitled to a refund just because you've changed your mind. You need to check the store's refund policy before you splash any cash. Now, deliveries should always be with you within 13 days of you ordering, unless a different date was given by the retailer. It's always worth checking this, especially if you need the item within a certain amount of time. The retailer is fully responsible for getting your order to you when you order online. Now, that's not the delivery company. So if there is a problem with your order, or it doesn't arrive, it arrives damaged, you need to speak to the retailer, and they are the people that are responsible for putting it right. One of your most important consumer rights, as set out in the Consumer Rights Act 2015, is that anything you buy must be as described, of satisfactory quality, fit for purpose, and last a reasonable amount of time. Now, if anything you buy doesn't fulfill any of these criteria, you've got the ability then to go back to the retailer and ask to put things right. It's the retailer, not the manufacturer, who has to sort any issues with the products you've bought, so go back to them if there's a problem with your order. Now, you've got 30 days to take a faulty item back and get a full cash refund, and that applies whether you buy in store, online. This is your legal right. Now, you just need proof of purchase, which can be a bank statement if you don't have the original receipt. Now, after 30 days, that changes slightly, and you're entitled to a repair or replacement if something goes wrong. Now, if it's in the first 6 months, it's the retailer's responsibility to prove that it wasn't faulty when you bought it. After 6 months, it's your responsibility to prove that there was a fault. It is always worth keeping your receipts, and also getting a gift receipt if you're buying something for a present for someone, because then you can give it to them and they'll have that so they can go back to the retailer and sort any problems with the goods. You can find out more information in our guide, but those are the key consumer rights that you need to know about if you're off shopping.